Toon Boom Harmony 22 is a leading animation software used by professionals in the animation industry for creating high-quality 2D animations. It offers a comprehensive set of tools for drawing, rigging, animation, and compositing, making it a versatile and powerful solution for animators. The software's intuitive interface and advanced features make it suitable for both beginners and experienced animators. One of the standout features of Harmony 22 is its vector and bitmap drawing tools, which provide animators with the flexibility to create detailed and expressive artwork. The software also includes advanced rigging tools, allowing users to create complex character rigs with ease. These rigs can be reused and adjusted for different animations, saving time and effort in the animation process. Harmony 22 also supports frame-by-frame animation, providing animators with the ability to create traditional hand-drawn animations with digital tools. The software's animation tools include a variety of keyframe and tweening options, making it easy to create smooth and natural-looking animations. Harmony 22 also includes advanced compositing tools, allowing users to combine multiple animation layers and effects to create complex scenes. The software supports 3D integration, enabling animators to incorporate 3D elements into their 2D animations seamlessly. Harmony 22's robust toolset and flexibility make it a popular choice for professionals in the animation industry, including major studios and independent animators.